Hi, Lakshya.
Hi.
I hope I'm clearly audible.
Yeah, I can hear you fine. Can you
Mm,
hear me fine?
yeah, I can hear you well.
Yes, sir. How's
Okay.
it going?
Yeah, it's going good, Lakshya. Thanks for joining, by the way.
Yeah, no, not a problem, not a problem. So,
You are in the.
how's life in Novena?
Hey, it's good, man. And you are in laboratory right now.
Yeah, I'm in one of the laboratories, yes.
Yeah, I'm also sitting in the laboratory.
Yeah, same thing.
Okay. How's weather there? Is it there?
It's getting a little bit warmer. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
getting a
yeah.
little bit warmer, but it's nice. Overall, it's nice. Not that bad. Not bad.
Mm, okay. So, Lakshya, what we are like doing basically is like you just need to tell what exact procedure you followed to
Mhm,
get that PhD visa in Germany. Okay,
mhm,
so you
mhm,
just need
mhm,
to tell like pretty basic, not
mhm,
in more details. It should be pretty
mhm,
basic and
mhm.
should be somewhat around 5 to 6 minutes. Okay. And if you are okay, we plan to upload it on YourPedia panel so that other students who are in YourPedia can watch it if you are okay about it. Not on YouTube. It's
Yeah,
not
yeah,
meant to go on YouTube.
yeah, sure, sure. I'm totally fine with it. You can
Okay.
put it, not a problem with me.
Yeah, I mean, it's just an interaction.
Yeah, it's good if there is somebody to help, because for even for me, during the starting, it was a little bit difficult. So if
Yeah.
I can help in some way, it's always good.
Yeah. Yeah. Right. Okay. So, Lakshya, can you please quickly introduce yourself, like in 5 sentences?
Yeah, sure, sure. So my name is Lakshay. I'm from a very small village on the northern part of India, from Himachal. So I did my master's from Defense Institute of Advanced Technology in Pune in materials engineering, and then after that, I wanted to pursue my PhD. So I applied for a couple of universities abroad and got into one of the universities in Germany, named called KIT, Karlsruhe Institute of Technology. Now I'm pursuing my PhD over here in nuclear materials.
Okay, that's great. Can I know, like, where did you completed your bachelor's and where did you completed your master's both? You
Yeah, for sure.
completed your
Uh,
master's in DIIT Pune, right?
yeah.
Okay, but
Uh,
bachelor.
so my bachelor's from was from one of the regional government engineer college. It's called Mahatma Gandhi Government Engineer College. It's not that huge, but yeah.
Okay, okay, great. And what about your CGPA that you mentioned? I mean, maintained in DIIT Pune.
Mhm. In DIT, my CGPA was about 9.31,
Mhm.
and during my bachelor's it was 8.21, mechanical
Okay.
engineering.
So is it like the same project that you have worked on in your master's and you are pursuing or continuing it here?
Not exactly, but in some sense you can say that because I've already worked on high entropy alloys
Mhm.
before. The material is same. Yeah, in
Okay.
some sense you can say that there's a certain kind of orientation. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Let's not go into the details of material science and
Yes.
all that. Okay. Because I'm from computer science domain. So anyway, so
Makes sense.
let's quickly jump to the main question of this video for which
Mhm.
we want to discuss particularly is about visa process. So I'll go on mute so that the recording can be in a clean way and you can
Sure.
keep on discussing about what exact procedure you followed for PhD visa in Germany.
Mhm. Sure. So starting with the visa process, you need certain kind of, like, there are separated categories in which you can apply for visa. There's either you can apply for a student study visa, or you can also apply for an employment visa. But what makes more sense is to apply for a research category visa. It's a class D visa. And in that, the exact name is guest research visa. So in that process, it's a little bit faster. So the university will provide you with an hosting agreement, as well as they will give you another letter that will state that your qualification has already been met for the visa application, and all the embassy needs to do is just process it. Like, all the verification has already been done. It's just from their end, they just need to forward it. So once you get those two things, all you need is certain other documents, such as your You need insurances, and you need like what else do you need? Mm, insurances, your residence proof for at least 30 to 60 days. 30
Mm-hmm.
days works. And insurance minimum 90 days is necessary because
Okay.
I did it for 60 days and then there was a issue during my process. So at least 90 days of health insurance is a must. And 1 month of accommodation needs to be figured out that you can easily book on proxy things are also can be done. So
Yeah.
that's one thing. After that, you just need to apply, and after that, the process is really smooth.
Okay. But have you
And
applied it through VFS Global or like
yes,
through
yes, yes,
embassy directly?
I applied. No, I applied it through VFS Global. Yeah.
Okay, so it's VFS Global where you submitted all your documents that you have that you received from the university, right?
Yes, yes. All the documents along with some other documents like
Mm.
whatever they needed.
Right,
Some
right. But
proof of my.
you booked appointment, right? You booked appointment with VFS Global. Then in the
Mhm,
second
mhm,
second
yes.
time you submitted the documents.
Yeah, I booked an appointment and like I went there with all the documents
Okay.
and they took all the documents in as well as my passport. So
Yeah.
they took all the document and the passport, and after a week, I received a message from them that my passport has been like
Mm-hmm.
processed and I will receive it back. So they send it back. You can track it during
Yeah.
the whole process. You can track where exactly it is. And within a week, I got my visa
But
after the
Lakshya,
appointment.
I'm more curious about like visa type particularly because I mean I have seen students facing so many challenges when applying for German visa. Okay, since you are PhD,
Yes.
you had opportunity to apply for multiple visa categories, I guess,
Mhm, mhm,
and it's pretty
mhm.
good that you have received in just 7 days, right? Because it takes almost one or 2 months in processing
Months.
and more sometimes more than that, right? So
Yeah.
can you please explain a little bit like what each category looks like for German visa and what exact category should a person choose on the basis of their admission? So let's say if a person from masters applies, then which kind of visa they
Mhm.
should choose or something like that.
Yeah. If they are going for a master's visa, for definitely they have to go for a student visa.
Hmm.
Then it's definitely gonna take a little bit of time because the appointments are not always available.
Right.
So you need to like continuously keep on applying for the
Hmm.
appointment, and you once you get a date, after even after that, keep on searching for the website. But there
Hmm.
might be some early appointment possible,
Right.
so you can cancel your previous one and you can get another one. So it
And this,
refreshes like almost every single day.
yeah, this happens on VFS Global, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
there's
And
that.
yeah, please continue.
Yeah, yeah. And for PhD, you should definitely go for research visa. PhD, postdoc, everyone should go for this research visa.
Okay, but the specific category you mentioned, like guest slash visit, guest
Research,
slash
I
research
think,
visa, right?
slash visiting researcher visa. Yes, that's
Okay,
the only category over there for research people.
okay, I see. And how
Yes.
much time do they give you? Like, is it like for 1 year or 6 months or?
The visa was for 6 months, but there are some people over here who
Mhm.
also came after me. They received a visa for 3 months. So
Okay,
I don't know. I'm not exactly sure. Like, how do they decide that this person should get a 6 month visa or a 3 month visa?
okay, but
But for me,
if you have received 6 month visa, then you need to renew it very soon, right? I mean, you
yeah,
need to think about
that's
it.
yeah. Once you're here, you don't you have to apply for a residence permit.
Mm,
So either way, the visa is not required after that. So you apply for a residence permit and you
yeah.
make the appointment. And once you get your residence permit, you'll get it
Oh, yeah.
for the complete duration of your time.
Oh yeah, yeah, I get it. I get it.
Yeah.
So basically the visa allows you to basically transit in
Yes.
that particular period, right? But resident permit allows you to stay for 1 year.
Stay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's
Okay. Okay.
mandatory to apply for this residence permit
Yeah.
once you're here.
Yeah. Yeah. So is it like the resident permit for you is for 3 years, as long as your PhD continues, or is it for 1 year
Yes.
only?
Yeah. It's for 3 years as long as my contract is there.
I see. I see. Okay, that's a great discussion, I guess. But if you have any suggestion to mention here, like how early should they apply or something like that, then we can have it from your side. Otherwise, we can conclude the discussion.
Yeah. As soon as you get your documents sorted, just apply and just go there. Make
Okay.
sure all the documents are good. And if you have any questions, like specific questions, don't be afraid to just email to the embassy. They
Yeah.
do reply very fast, so that's a good way.
Okay, okay. Okay, Lakshay, that is all, I guess. And thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, thank you for having me here. So
Okay,
it's
bye bye.
always good to be here.
Bye
Bye.
bye.